everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change voice AI on Claude. If you're using Claude on your PC and want to change how the AI sounds, good news! Claude now includes built-in voice settings. So in this video, I'll show you exactly where to find them and how to switch between different voice styles. First, go to Claude on your browser. Now look at the left sidebar and click on your profile or settings option. Then open settings. Now, once you open settings, make sure you're on the General tab at the top. Now, once you click General, scroll down until you see Voice Settings. So it's usually at the bottom. Now, once you see it, hover over Voice Settings. And here you'll find multiple voice styles like butterfly, airy, mellow, glassy, or rounded. So each one gives Claude a slightly different tone and personality. So let's listen to airy first.
Amid the mists and coldest frosts, with stoutest wrists and loudest boasts, he thrusts.
Mellow,
Fuzzy Wuzzy was a bear. A fuzzy bear was Wuzzy. Fuzzy Wuzzy had no hair. Fuzzy Wuzzy.
If
glassy,
practice makes perfect and perfect needs practice, I'm perfectly practiced and practically.
rounded,
She sells seashells by the seashore. The shells she sells are surely from the sea.
and the default one, butterfly.
Betty bought a bit of butter, but the bit of butter Betty bought was bitter.
So I'm gonna choose glassy right here.
If practice makes perfect and perfect needs practice, I'm perfectly practiced and practically perfect.
So choose whichever you like. Buttery sounds smoother and softer, while glassy feels sharper and clearer. So I'm gonna pick glassy. After selecting a voice, so you can go back and start a new chat. So tap on the new chat at the top left and start a voice interaction if available on your account, or trigger any audio playback feature. So this lets you hear how your selected voice sounds in real time. So let's click on voice mode right here. Click on allow. Hello.
Hello, Mao.
How's it going? What can I help you with today?
So as you can see, it worked. And now if you don't hear anything, make sure your browser has sound enabled. You can check your system volume, try using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge or Mozilla Firefox and see if it works. And that's it. Changing Claude's AI voice on PC is quick and easy once you know where to look. So try different styles and pick the one that fits your vibe best. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.